Hello everyone, we'll be now talking about the blood supply to the kidney. Okay, kidney means renal. So, renal blood supply will be learning in this particular session. Okay, so whatever oxygenated blood which is supplied to the kidney, it is supplied by the artery, right? So, the artery which is supplying oxygenated blood to the kidney is known as renal artery. Okay. So, renal artery divides into major branches, okay, major branches, and those major branches which are formed when the renal artery enters in the kidney, that is known as interlobar arteries, interlobar arteries. So, many interlobar arteries will spread all over the kidney after entry of the renal artery through hilum part of the kidney. Hilum is one depression we have studied in structure of kidney, that is LS of kidney. What is hilus? Hilus is one depression through which renal artery enters inside, renal vein comes out and ureter comes out. Okay, got it? So, renal artery when it enters in the kidney, it divides into major arteries, that is interlobar arteries, and these interlobar arteries which are there, these will further divide into many afferent arterioles. Okay. So, afferent arteriole कहाँ पे enter होता है? In the cavity, cup shaped cavity of the Bowman's capsule. You all know very well. Okay. So, afferent artery enters in the cup shaped cavity of the Bowman's capsule of each and every nephron. Likewise, how many nephrons are there in the kidney? 1 million nephrons are present. Okay. So, almost 1 million nephrons will be having its own glomerulus, okay, and its own glomerulus is formed due to division and redivision of the afferent arteriole. So, क्या हो रहा है? Interlobal arteries which are there, these will further divide into afferent arteriole in the kidney, and each afferent arteriole will enter in the cavity of the Bowman's capsule. Okay. This afferent arteriole which is there, it will further divide and redivide. Okay. Where it is dividing? In the space. ये Bowman's capsule ऐसे रहता है, right? So, Bowman's capsule का ये जो cup shaped cavity है, यहाँ पे ये afferent arteriole जो भी enter होता है, this afferent arteriole will divide and redivide into many blood capillaries. Okay? And this network of blood capillary is also known as tuft of capillaries. So, this tuft of capillaries is called as glomerulus. Okay? Almost 50 glomerular capillaries are present in this cavity. Okay? And these blood capillaries will reunite, okay, reunite होंगे, and likewise there will be formation of efferent arteriole. Now look at this, efferent arteriole का diameter छोटा है, afferent arteriole का diameter ज़्यादा है, so pressure will be generated because of this. Okay, so इसका diameter ज़्यादा है afferent का, तो amount of blood which will flow in the afferent arteriole is more, volume of blood is more, but volume of blood which is coming out from the Bowman's capsule through efferent arteriole, that is less. Okay. So, definitely volume ज़्यादा enter हो रहा है blood capillaries में, glomerular blood capillaries में. So, pressure exerted by the blood over the walls of the blood capillaries will be more. So, glomerular hydrostatic pressure will be developed because of difference between the volume of afferent arteriole and efferent arteriole. Okay. So, क्या होता है? Afferent arteriole enters in the cup shaped Bowman's cavity. Afferent arteriole will divide and redivide into tuft of blood capillaries. Almost 50 glomerular blood capillaries are there, and these 50 glomerular blood capillaries will reunite to form efferent arteriole. Okay, efferent arteriole breaks into peritubular network of capillaries. Peritubular network of capillaries. Okay, and this peritubular, peri क्यों बोला है? Because peri means periphery, sides में. Tubular because nephron is made up of tubule. Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together forms what? Malpighian body. Malpighian body leads to PCT, loop of enlace, DCT and collecting duct, right? Okay. So, here the tubular part of the nephron is surrounded by blood capillaries, okay, and these blood capillaries which are surrounding this tubular part of the nephron is known as peritubular blood capillaries, peritubular blood capillaries. These peritubular blood capillaries will join to form renal vein, okay. क्या होता है, ये जो blood capillaries किससे बने हैं? Because of division and redivision of afferent arteriole. Where these blood capillaries are there? Surrounding the tubule of the nephron. Okay, these blood capillaries will rejoin to form renal vein. Okay, and this renal vein which is there, then it will come out from the hilum of the kidney and join to the inferior vena cava. Okay. Inferior vena cava is also known as post caval, okay, which will carry deoxygenated blood from the kidney towards the heart, okay, that to right auricle or else right atria of the heart. Okay. So क्या हो गया, renal blood supply में क्या study किया, renal blood supply में हम लोग ने ये study किया how oxygenated blood is supplied to the kidney and how that deoxygenated blood is entering in the inferior vena cava. Okay. So, renal artery divides into major branches, that is interlobar arteries. Each one divides into afferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole enters the Bowman's capsule. Afferent arteriole divides and redivides into tuft of capillaries, that is glomerular blood capillaries, almost 15 number. These glomerular blood capillaries will rejoin or else reunite to form efferent arteriole, whose diameter is less as compared to afferent arteriole, because of which glomerular hydrostatic pressure will be developed, and because of this glomerular hydrostatic pressure there is ultrafiltration and formation of nephric filtrate. Okay, got it. Then these whatever efferent arteriole which is coming out from the Bowman's capsule of each and every nephron, that will divide and redivide further into many peritubular blood capillaries, and these peritubular blood capillaries will surround the nephron, okay, and many such peritubular blood capillaries will rejoin to form renal vein. Renal vein opens in the inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood, okay, towards the heart, and likewise deoxygenated blood will further get purified, deoxygenated blood coming from the kidney. How it enters in the inferior vena cava? Through renal vein. Okay. So, this is all about blood supply towards the kidney. Thank you.